Happy 13th birthday, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. With the 13th birthday coming up, I thought it'd be fun to kind of take a step back in the Wayback Machine. So I went to the Wayback Machine, and if you've never been there, go and check it out. You can go and look at websites, old school. We used to be on MySpace. That's how old this company is. When I first started, it was just a fun little project. I had a boss who suggested I try and do a little bit of art. I tried to get into a really big stamp company. That did not work. So I went ahead and started my own company. Now, some of these designs you're going to see, some of these are some of the retired stamps. So when I first started, my art was very cartoony. I think it has definitely evolved. When I look at it, it almost doesn't even feel like stuff I've drawn. You can see I have some really cute little raccoons in there. I've got some little cats, Christmas, dinosaurs. It was really all about me learning what people were even making, and at the time cards were much more simplistic 13 years ago. Now there's all kinds of just beautiful things, die cuts, etc. So you can see in here I've got a couple more. I've got some little bees and some little giraffes, because I was really trying to find myself not only as an artist but as a business owner. I knew it has been something I always wanted to do, but is really trying to figure that out. Over the years, I've been blessed to work with some amazing people. This year alone, I was able to work with Tim Tracker, Resort TV 1. I've been a member of the Coffee Lovers blog hop for quite a few years, and I love it. We've done Small Businesses Do Better. We've been part of a geocaching review, quite a few other blogs. We've done live shows in person at quite a few different craft fairs. I've also been part of the Great Lakes Pet Expo, the Oscars. We did the grab bags in 2012. Pugfest 2010, we were part of the Happy Endings No Kill Cat Shelter calendar. Some of the things that I'm really excited about, though, for example, I was actually had a stamp in the movie Joy. So that's the one with Robert De Niro. If you look at the movie, there's a scene where he's sitting at his office and he actually has the stamp sitting there. We had to create 2 of them for them, and they used those stamps in the movie. It's actually only one of them, but he actually stamps an invoice with it. We had to vintage it up. It was absolutely an amazing experience. I also had Fox 6 come out, and we were able to film a segment with them. They came to the house, got there super early in the morning. They brought out their news truck. You can see there they are actually in my office interviewing me. Chip was absolutely amazing. Him and his cameraman were wonderful. We were able to draw a drawing right on the spot, right on the news. We were also blessed to be featured in Oprah magazine. We've been in Milwaukee magazine. We've been in Split Coast Stampers, Card Makers magazines, and quite a few others. But you know what I love to do? I love making custom rubber stamps. I love designing clear stamps for you to make for your projects. We've also made quite a few geocaching rubber stamps, which you can see right here. I love doing that. I love making the red rubber stamps. I can work with your logo, or you know what? I know how to draw. Send me a message. I would love your challenge. I would love to be challenged by you to design something original and new for your company or for yourself or for your own cards. I love being able to do that stuff. It's the reason that I've done this for 13 years. There's a lot of companies out there nowadays, but I can tell you they come and go faster than the wind, because it's a huge commitment with a family and a full-time regular job. But I absolutely love it. I love designing the clear stamps. It has been such an exciting adventure to be able to create these clear stamps. I think in my mind that I come up with a great idea of here's the kind of cards that I think that not only my design team but my customers are going to make, and then you guys blow me out of the water and create things I never even thought possible with the designs that I draw. So I can't tell you how much I appreciate, one, that you come and choose to work with me at JessicaLynnOriginal.com, but the fact that you share your designs on YouTube, Facebook with me, you toss me emails so that I can share them. Having the opportunity to get out and actually meet you in person has been very rewarding as well. We've done quite a few different craft shows over the years, and it's always exciting to me to hear what ideas you have for the stamps, what inspires you from the designs that I've drawn. Last year, I was lucky enough to be able to go into an elementary school and bring Brentwood Owl with me. Brentwood Owl has been with me for quite a long time, so he's actually become part of the family. Both my girls know him as a member of the family. But these adorable children, we did a t-shirt designing challenge, and each one designed Brentwood wearing a different t-shirt. Over the years, our logo has gone through some pretty dramatic changes. We started off with just this JessicaLynnOriginal, although if you watch, I did keep that same series of fonts, which is kind of cool. We added a little bit of Brentwood Owl, and then somewhere around year 10, I'm going to say, I came up with this adorable Brentwood as a pirate. We had this logo for quite a long time, and then I decided it'd be fun to take him to Hawaii, make him a little more tropical. This logo only lasted a couple of months. I didn't really like it. I mean, it's very cute, but I went, no, Brentwood is a pirate. So I reimagined him this year. I added a brand new parrot who is also a pirate. I thought it would be a lot of fun. So he's been reimagined, redesigned, and you can see he's got a much glossier, shinier look, and he's now going to be featured as the pirate Brentwood all over the brand new JessicaLynnOriginal packaging. Not only Brentwood Owl, but another project of mine for years now has been my AKC dogs. I have gotten such amazing response from all of you about these dogs. They have really become something that I love to do. It's so exciting to bring out another dog set. As you see, we're moving through them as fast as I can. They're selling out quickly. So if you're looking for a specific dog breed, as I've said before, please send me a message or comment below. I'm more than happy to go ahead and add that breed to the list. We do have some new ones coming very soon. The first two that we're launching for 2018 is going to be Flynn's Puppies, which you see on the left-hand side, featuring an adorable Corgi, a Lab, and a Pug. On the right-hand side, you're going to see Celine's Kittens. It has 3 little kittens, a cute little cat laying on its side, 2 in a bag, and 1 fuzzy little Persian. These are available for order right now. Be sure to go ahead and pick them up. They are the first of our new series. I cannot wait to show you the rest of what's coming, including, let's just put it this way, maybe a brand new pirate Brentwood and a mermaid. But I won't say too much more. You definitely have to wait for that one. I love social media. It's become a huge thing for me. I love YouTube. I enjoy this so much, being able to share what I create and design. If you love what I'm doing out on this channel, please subscribe. Tell your friends. I love to feature what you do on YouTube. I even have an area for crafting with my friends and design teams. So if you make something, share it. I would love to put your video on our channel. Or if you like what we're doing, go visit us on Facebook. I love being able to showcase different things out on Facebook, your pictures, your imagery, your YouTube videos. I put those out there too. You're also going to see all of our upcoming events out on Facebook. Instagram, you want a quick visual instant look of what we've got out there? I post all of my new designs, new cards, samples out on Instagram. Share with us. I'd love to see what you're creating. There's the links to those couple locations right there. So without getting too emotional, I just want to say happy birthday, JessicaLynnOriginal. I did not think I would get to 13 years, but I cannot wait for another 13. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me, from my design team members from the very beginning to the people that I work with now. You all are such amazing people. You have really helped me grow my company, my channel, and where we're going in the future. I'm going to go ahead and pop a little Brentwood up. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing. I'm also going to pop up 2 more videos. And again, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that you have a wonderful day.